Hey, what's going on, everyone? Soon after I did the update video for SMCI, you guys can see the stock price has gone crazy. It has gone higher in less than 5-6 days. The market has regained some strength of about 65% on the low, 66% on the low since February the 3rd. I talked about that on our last video for SMCI. So hopefully you was able to catch this move, because price broke this sell pocket right here between $30.14 to $32. That was a massive clue that these buyers are controlling the price. If you didn't, maybe we can see price make a bigger move back up to $50, maybe even $55, because that's definitely something on the table now. So welcome to the channel, guys. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm here to give you a prediction, trying to get ahead of the competition, trying to get ahead of those who are willing to try to profit off of us, when we're trying to do the exact opposite, trying to profit off of people's positions that they may be on the wrong side of. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here first of all, and we will also get rid of these pockets of selling in SMCI, because those sellers did not keep back the buyers. The buyers were so determined that they were willing to push the market in SMCI higher. Now, we're knocking on the door of this sell pocket right here. Is it feasible? Is it likely that we can see the price in SMCI go to that pocket? Given this massive strength that we've seen so far, the logical answer would be yes. Now, we might take a break, meaning price could come down, which is why we need to create areas of where we suspect the market to hold, i.e. pockets of buying, right? So here it is. You guys can even see right here in the morning in the pre-market that SMCI currently is reflecting and wants to hold here. Okay, so we got some buyers right there in SMCI. That's going to be important. And we got buyers here. And definitely got some buyers right here. Let me put one here too. All right, so now we got locations to where we would suspect those buyers to be in SMCI, right? So the sooner that we see price hold these pockets of buying, the better. The stronger that price is still being controlled by the market buyers. If the market buyers don't hold these pockets here, then the market is not that strong. You would expect price to continue to dip and go lower. And the crazy part is we moved up so fast. I mean, logically, you would expect us to come down at least a little bit more, because people wasn't expecting the market to break out as fast as it did. So people would come through and try to take some of the profit that they garnered over the last couple of days. Now let's look at SMCI on the 2. Look at that 2-day bar right there. It is printed, it is finished, and you guys can see it. Very strong. Market closed at the high of the bar off of this buy signal that was triggering on our chart. Here's SMCI on the 3, 2 back to back, right? Indications of strength. Now the negative aspect would be on this next upcoming 3-day price bar. If it comes all the way back down to the open of this 3-day price bar, which began on February the 7th, that emphatically would be weakness. Okay. So it looks like earnings is set to be released today in the market for SMCI, so anything could go on market close. So we can definitely see market come all the way back down to where we initially began this breakout, especially if the information is not good, or if the investors perceive the information for SMCI to be terrible. Here it is on the 4. Okay, so I like it here on the 4 too. Here it's SMCI on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. 2 weeks looks great. It looks very strong right now. We still have 3 days, 9 hours though. SMCI on the 3. I like the 3 too. Here it is on the 5. So I think the market still wants to go higher for SMCI. My only concern is how the earnings is going to be perceived from the market participants. Will they congratulate the information, or will they shun the information and completely sell to where SMCI is going to lose all of the ground it gained as it was going higher? That's the risk. Okay. So usually what I would do is I wouldn't drop a price prediction. I wouldn't put on a play. If I was going to put on a play, I would place a limit order, like somewhere around maybe this pocket of buying right there, here, like 37.50, just to ease some of that volatility that could potentially come through off of this earnings report. Okay. So we're going to target this first sell pocket right here at the low, which is around $47.16, 10.39% there. Our second target is going to be at the high of that pocket, which is around $49.50, 15.8. Then our third target would be at $51.78, which is 21.21%. Now again, caution, earnings are set to be released. Expect market volatility. Might even come all the way down to test this pocket of buying here too. All right, so that is where I'm at though. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.